Welcome to Anyways Tech Review. Today we will talking about the new feature called sniping tools where you can actually split off its folder here, here, and you can add whatever tabs you want. Let's say you want to add something, let's say youtube.com. So we can split this and add this here. See, and we also can split it over here, and we can add more content. We can now search content tabs. We can put your tab over here, and then you can just put whatever you want to put. Put booking.com or whatever website, so we can search like that. And you want to search what you want by putting two different stuff over here. Yeah, like this. So easily you can, if you don't like or have enough tabs, you can do two tabs. And I don't really know how to adjust this yet, but we can off it by clicking this, or you can